In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change trading password in Exness. If you need to update the password for one of your trading accounts, the process is quite straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you can do it without confusion. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading profile, accounts, and settings. Once you've signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page and that everything has fully loaded before moving on. Next, click on Accounts and look for the specific trading account whose password you want to change. This part is important, especially if you have more than one account in your profile. Make sure you select the right account before making any changes so you don't accidentally update the wrong trading password. After you find the correct account, click the three-dot icon next to it. Depending on what you see on your screen, this may also appear as a gear or cog icon. This menu gives you access to account-specific options, including password settings. From that menu, click on Change Trading Password. This will open the section where you can enter a new password for that trading account. Be careful here to choose a password that meets the platform's on-screen requirements. Usually those requirements are shown right inside the password field or nearby, so take a second to read them before typing. Now enter your new password. It's a good idea to create something strong but memorable. Follow the instructions shown on the screen exactly, because if the password doesn't meet the required format, you may not be able to save it. Also, make sure you type it carefully to avoid mistakes, especially if you plan to use it right away for logging into your trading platform. Once the new password has been entered correctly, click on Change Password to confirm the update. After that, your new trading password should be applied to the selected account. As a final tip, store your updated password somewhere secure so you don't lose access later. And if you use this trading account on another device or platform, you may need to sign in again using the new password. That's it. You've successfully changed your trading password in Exness.